I'm gonna show you how I like to rig my barnacles. First, you want to find a barnacle that has a somewhat flat back. These are perfect. You're gonna go right through the center. It's nice and soft on the back. Nice little soft pot. Right in the center of the rock there. Just kind of wiggle it through. Wiggle it on out. And it's gonna come out the beak part. That's one way to do it, right there. You can also come through the beak side. If you can't get the hook in the one side, go through the beak side, just like the same way, just the opposite. Either way, you want to get that barnacle down there so they can